Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Google Pay app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply tap open your Google Pay app from your home screen. So once you open your Google Pay app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the country where you live. So there are three options, so you can select one of the option and hit the continue button, then select a Google Pay account as well. So once you have selected your account, all you need to do is simply hit the continue button and add in your mobile phone number to create your account. So once you type in your mobile phone number, hit the next button, then you need to now confirm it by the OTP. Once you have set the OTP, you will end up in this page. So select one method and you will end up in this kind of interface, which is how you create or sign up in Google Pay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.